So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy gold here on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. Now at the top, I want you to go ahead and select on the search bar right here and type in a symbol. Now, you can't actually buy gold directly. Instead, you have to buy an ETF that tracks maybe a gold index. So an example of this for demonstration could be ticker symbol CGL if you're here in Canada. So CGL iShares Gold Bitcoin ETF right here. So we'll just go ahead and select this one as an example. It actually is commission free. Which is also kind of nice. So once that is done, I want you to select your account. Once your account is selected, you can go to the bottom to where it says action. You can go ahead and select buy or sell. In this case, you would press buy. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Once the action is selected, you can go ahead and change your market types. If I were to go ahead and do market, limit, stop limit, whatever the case may be. Also type in the quantity. So if you wanted to buy one share of this, it'll show you the estimated value, for example. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed this way with the transaction. So that is how to purchase or how to buy gold here on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.